This product is multi-cycle timer. Let's see the working operation video of this product. As a first step, give power connection to the unit. Switch on the timer using power on-off switch, which is present in the right lower corner. Power LED glows and display shows RMG. There is a power delay of 5 seconds. You can see 3 lines after that, which indicates that there are no programs stored yet. Press set key for 2 seconds. It enters the cycle menu. There are totally 10 cycles that can be set. Using next key, the cycle can be chosen from 0 to 9. And using up key, the output can be selected, either on or off for the chosen cycle. Press set key again. It enters into the option of setting the time. The segment left to the dot is the hour segment and the segments right to the dots are the minute segment. Using next key, the segment can be selected from left to right. Using up key, the blinking segment can be set with the desired time. Press set key again to store the time for the chosen cycle. Let's see the first example of on mode operation. Now we are in cycle 0. By using up key, let's set on output and press set key once again. Now we have entered the time display. Let's set the time for 1 minute. Ensure the cycle 1 time is set for 0 hours and 0 minutes. We have ensured it. Now we shall start the timer. Press next and up key at a time to start the timer. Now load LED is on, which means the connected device is in on condition. Now the running time, cycle and output will be alternately showing in the display for the set time. After a minute, we can see the load LED goes off and the connected device is switched off, and after which you can see 3 lines in the display which indicates that the program is completed. This stored program will be always in memory even if power goes off. If you want to run this program again, you can do it by 2 ways. 1. By switching off and switching on the timer unit, and second by pressing the next and up key at a time to run the stored program. Let's see the second example of off mode operation. Press set key to enter into the cycle 0. By using up key, off output is selected. Press set key again and it enters into the time display. As already 1 minute is set in cycle 0 and 0 hours and 0 minutes in cycle 1, we can just press next and up key at a time now to run the stored program. Load LED is off, which means the connected device is in off condition. Now the running time, cycle and output will be alternately showing in the display for the set time. After the set time is over, the load LED glows and the connected device is in on condition, and you can see 3 lines in the display segment which indicates the completion of the program. Let's see the third example of multi-cycle mode. In this mode, we can set unequal time in all the 10 cycles. Press set key and enter into the cycle. Now cycle 0, we can select on output and set the time as 9 hours and 59 minutes by using up key. So 9 hours is set and by using the next key, we can move on to the minute segment and select the minutes. In the first segment of minutes side, you can set up to 5, and now in the last segment 9 is set, so 9 hours and 59 minutes is set for 0 cycle, And now the next cycle 1 is set for off output and 1 hour is set for cycle 1. And then cycle 2 on output is set for 2 hours. And for cycle 3 off output is set and the time is set for 10 minutes. And for the fourth cycle, on output is selected for 50 minutes, 50 minutes. And for cycle 5, off output is selected for 9 hours. And for cycle 6, on output is selected and 10 minutes is set. And for cycle 7, on output is selected for 3 hours. We need not have to set alternate output for the sequential cycles. Here in cycle 6 and cycle 7, the output is the same and is set as on. Similarly, for cycle 8 and cycle 9, off output is selected and the time is set as 9 minutes for cycle 8 and 4 hours 30 minutes for cycle 9. Press next and up key at a time to run this stored program. Now the running time, cycle and output will be alternately showing in the display for the set time. 9 hours and 59 minutes is showing up, and after a minute you can see the display time will be 9 hours and 58 minutes. Now switch off the timer unit. Switch on the unit again. It displays as RMG first for 5 seconds, after which the last run time 9 hours and 58 minutes is displayed and the timer unit continues its operation. It is not mandatory to set all the 10 cycles. You can set the cycle mode by choosing minimum of 2 cycles. This limited cycles can be achieved by setting the subsequent cycle time as 0 hours and 0 minutes. For example, if we plan to run 4 cycles, set equal or unequal time for cycle 0 to cycle 3, and cycle 4 must be kept as 0 hours and 0 minutes. After this operation, press next and up key to start the timer, and so that the multi-cycle operation is achieved. Now cycle 0 to 3 runs non-stop repeatedly in the cycle fashion. This is how we need to operate the multi-cycle timer. Now in this screen, you will be able to see the model selection methods of multi-cycle timer, and you can get benefited as per your requirement. For any further queries, kindly contact us.